Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another hair dyeing video. As you can see, my hair is pretty much faded, so I ordered some more Arctic Fox and it is time to switch it up. So the two colors I ordered are Poseidon. I got a big bottle, and then I got a small bottle of Electric Paradise. So I'm going to do most of my hair this blue with the ends, and I'm thinking maybe like a small section somewhere just pink. So yeah, if you are interested to see how these colors turn out, and I have a rabbit biting my foot. If you are interested to see how these colors turn out, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so now I have like this beautiful like blue to purple to pink ombre in my hair. So I'm just going to go back with blue and make sure that the hair in between that meets the blue hair that meets the pink hair has color in it. So I was seeing some spots that look a little dry, so I'm going to go back in with leftover blue and pink and just make sure that everything is completely saturated. But I think that this is going to be really, really cute. Okay, so I am done. I am pretty excited with how this looks so far. So I'm going to leave this on my head for about an hour, hour and a half, rinse it out, and I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I am back, and here is how my hair came out. I am really happy with it, especially these bright pink parts that I did look really cute. My hair is up. Show you guys the back. This is a fun one. I'm so happy with how this came out. I can't wait to see what it looks like straightened out, but even curly, like, I love this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what color I should do next down below, because I'm really liking this, trying new colors and kind of seeing what happens. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you liked it. I have some new videos coming, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.